Look, the 4th of July weekend is right around the corner. We've got that big holiday. It's going to be so much fun, and we're already starting to hear the loud bang of fireworks. The bright colors and booms can be exciting for us, but they can also cause a lot of anxiety for our pets, specifically our dogs. So this morning we want to talk about keeping them calm. Our friend Lindsay Layendecker is joining us from the Jacksonville Humane Society, as well as the star of the show, because nobody's paying attention to you or me, unfortunately.
That's okay.
Dudley, what's up, Dudley?
Hey, Dad.
Hey, good. So this is Dudley. This is one of your personal pets.
Yes.
You rescued him from JHS.
He is from the Humane Society. He is the JHS ambassador.
Okay.
Here to help everybody learn about JHS and keeping pets safe.
All right, absolutely. So he's really calm. But what happens when there's fireworks or a thunderstorm or something like that that could be traumatic for our pets?
Yeah, so whether it's the light outside the window or the loud boom or just the excitement, it can be very scary. So what a lot of pets will do will show signs of fear, anxiety, stress, and frustration. So they might bark excessively, they might try to get out from where they are, or they might hide. It just depends on your individual pet.
So at JHS, do you see a lot of dogs that get loose, that get out, especially in the summertime when there's fireworks and there's storms and things like that?
Yes, we take in a lot of strays during the summer months. We are full right now, so we're doing half-price adoptions. So we definitely recommend to everybody, keep a tight look on your pets to make sure that they don't go missing. And if your pet does go missing, please check your local shelter. All
right, so now let's talk about the solution here, because there are some things that we can do to make sure that Dudley and his friends don't freak out when those fireworks go off.
Yes, so you definitely want to draw your blinds if you can, because people think about the noise but not always the lights, and the lights can be really scary. If you can turn on some white noise in the background, even just leave your TV running.
On Channel 4.
On Channel 4, of course. And definitely, you know, if you can, don't let your dog out. If you want, and normally, like, I will let him go out into the backyard, but I won't do that on the 4th of July. I'll put him on a leash, keep him in my eyesight. And I also would say, don't bring your dog to a fireworks show. Even if you have a really calm dog, you never know what's going to go wrong. Just leave the pets inside at home.
Yeah, it just makes them uncomfortable. So we see some products out there that supposedly help with the situation. One of those would be a thunder jacket. What's your take on that?
Every pet is different and individual, so we always recommend asking your veterinarian what works. There's all kinds of things from smelling bombs to CBD treats and thunder jackets. Dudley actually wore a thunder jacket when he first came to me because he was a little nervous and anxious, and it worked pretty well for him. So I definitely recommend checking with your veterinarian, seeing what they recommend, but also paying attention to your dog. No one knows your dog better than you do, so I would invest in what works for them.
Okay, and a couple things that don't work. Is there anything that you'd say like, doesn't seem to do the trick?
I would say the worst thing you can do is be unprepared. So make sure your pet's wearing their tag with their collar. If people are coming over, make sure you're paying attention to whether or not the door's being left open, the gate's being left open. I think being unprepared is the one thing you want to avoid. All
right, and certainly, again, you want to push that there are a lot of pets in the shelters, not just at the Humane Society, but all across our area. So certainly, if you think it's that time to go out there and adopt, it's a good time. So thank you so much, Lindsay, for coming on. We appreciate it. Happy 4th of July early.
Happy 4th to you.
Dudley, appreciate it. Sit. Good. Now shake. We're working on this part. The next time he comes on the show, he's going to have that shake down.
We're going to work on it.